All right, Cade, what are we working on?
On the feet.
Yeah. For your lawnmower?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of lawnmower?
John Deere mower.
Yeah. What's this part?
Boat.
What's this part? What are these? These the blades?
Mm-hmm.
And what's that one?
Spring.
Where does the spring go?
Here.
Yep, right there. Where does the belt go? Yep. Where do the blades go?
Here. Right
Okay.
here.
We're gonna need some tools.
Yeah.
Can you help me go get some tools?
Hey, have some little tools.
What size was it?
20.
20? Yeah, that's about right. Can you take that blade off? Lefty loosey. Use your wrench. Put it on here.
That you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you. Give it a try. You got it. Push down. You got it. And then back up. Bring her back round.
Take it out with my hand.
Put it on.
It's stuck.
Pull on your right side a little harder. And lift it up. Maybe try this one next. There we go. Got it off that one. Okay. Wrap it around. Okay. Now bring it over to this one. Can you get it on this one too? There you go.
Thank you.
You hook it on the pulley.
It's down one.
Yep.
Take it up. Take this up.
No, you need that one down. From the bottom up.
It's,
Yeah, just like that. You're close.
Dad, help me.
I think you got it. You're close. Really close. You got it. Good job, Cade. Give me a thumbs up. High five.
Take that on too.